Ahoy, this is Zdenka. This little tool is so awesome. Actually, this little tool helps me nail focus in 4K on Canon M50, and we already know very well that M50 is not the best for 4K, especially when it comes to focus, because it's just lacking the autofocus, and that's not everything. This little tool is good for zoom as well. Let's talk about it today. And for the new faces, my name is Zdenka Darla. I work as a photographer since 2007. I make photo and video tutorials, tech reviews and creative camera challenges. So if that's something you're interested in, you should consider hitting the subscribe button. Let's look at this small, light, only 88 grams weighing tool. I have been using Moza Air 2 gimbal lots with my Canon M50 because I don't always want to shoot in slow motion. It is great to shoot in slow motion, but I like to mix it with a real speed as well. I simply don't want to overdo it, always shoot in slow motion. Not me. One thing which was really bothering me is that I couldn't really shoot in 4K. You know, when you have the camera on a gimbal, you're holding it with both hands and then you're trying with the other hand to kind of focus, it can be really difficult. Well, you know, 4K on this camera is really... I simply wish the autofocus was there. So when my friends from Moza reached out to me and offered me this product, iFocus M, and by the way, they are not sponsoring this video, however, they did provide a product for free, I was super excited. I was very happy. I knew about this product before and I was kind of hoping they will send it to me so I can show it to you, because truthfully it changed everything for me. First of all, Moza Air 2 gimbal comes with rod adapter. You can mount it in a center if you use single plate. If you use riser plates like me, because M50 is small and light, you can mount the rod adapter on the left or right. First I mounted it on the left side, and you could have it there if you would use bigger camera or bigger lenses with this small camera. I'm mainly using the kit lens 15 to 45 millimeters, and it is a very tiny small lens. But then I realized if I install it on the other side and I've placed the rod on the other side of the gimbal, I can actually use it for zoom as well. You know, that the vertigo zoom effect from the old movies when things are getting closer while it is getting further away. I tried to do it handheld, but it wasn't that precise, that smooth. But with this iFocus, it is very smooth. First though, let me show you the focus. You will place lens gear ring on the lens tightly. The clamp is super easy to use, just snap in. You can open it very easily too. The motor is nicely sitting on the rod, tightened right here. Now it is a motor and it needs to be powered somehow. It is powered externally with USB-C cable, which makes it super quiet. Once you turn on Moza Air 2, this wheel will control the iFocus. Pretty convenient and easy. To avoid over-rotating, you can program starting and ending point. Go to advanced settings and turn off the iFocus mode off. Rotate the lens to starting position, set point A on the gimbal, rotate the lens to the finish position, and set point B. Go back and turn on the iFocus. Once I turn on the camera, I select manual focus, but I make sure I have a focus peaking on because it helps me focus. How do you enable it? Simply go to menu, Shooting settings, find page 5, select MF peaking settings, select peaking on, and I like level high and I prefer red color, but you can choose the other color as well. Now when I focus on something, whatever is sharp in focus will be red. That is very helpful. Well, everything is set up, ready to go. Let me just fire up the beast. Move number 1 is moving in and focusing from object to object. Move number 2, moving to the side, also focusing from object to the object. Let me change the setup for the zoom. And I know you already heard of the vertigo zoom effect. It's a very old, famous, very brain confusing effect when the object is coming close to you or moving away from you and the background is moving in the opposite direction. But this setup is so much easier to do. And my settings on the cameras for this is 1080p and I have focus select to face tracking. Links to all products featured in today's video, like the iFocus M and also Moza Air 2 gimbal, are listed in the video description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Well, hit the thumbs up button if you like today's video, subscribe to all videos like these. If you have any questions, comments, or simply want to say hello, you can do so in a video comment section below. You know I read it all and I always respond. And I will see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao, ahoy.